Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to talk about how to change a Nissan Altima 2015 cabin engine air filter. What you gotta do is disconnect the 5 clips, one right here, one in the back, if you guys can see. Let me turn on the light. Turn on the light. All right. Second one's in the back, third one's right here, fourth one's right here, and the fourth one in that dark back, if you guys can see. Okay. This is the EP Auto Extra Guard Rear Panel Air Filter. Change every 12,000 miles. GP 450. It looks white right here. This is the yellow one right here. And it should take about total about 5 minutes. So locate it, the filter house, remove the old air filter, install the new one, replace cover and fasten, and take about 5 minutes. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to everyone so they know how to change a Nissan Altima engine air filter, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.